Is there more to life than just being incredibly good-looking? You bet there is. While we are always talking about how to enhance your appearance here on the channel, being just a pretty face isn't enough. You want to be a well-rounded guy with diverse hobbies and a fulfilling life. In today's video, we're diving into some amazing hobbies you should consider picking up to enrich your life in multiple ways. Remember, not all hobbies are created equal. A well-rounded man should explore activities that offer different benefits and challenges. There are basically 4 types of categories of hobbies. There are 2 hobbies on left, which are solo and social hobbies, things which you'll do socially, and things you'll do with your own company. And other 2 categories are mental and physical hobbies, hobbies which makes you physically strong and in shape, and mental hobbies for your mind exercises. So let's start with social hobbies. As Aristotle has said, man is by nature a social animal, in one of his books. So it is very essential to communicate and socialize with the outer world. So let's start with the hobbies. First up, cooking classes. If you want to socially interact with people and make an aesthetic as well as useful hobby, then join a cooking class. From mastering basic techniques to exploring international cuisines, cooking classes offer a fun way to improve your culinary skills. Classes are interactive and social, providing a great opportunity to meet fellow food enthusiasts and expand your social circle. Next, dance classes. Whether it's salsa, hip-hop, or ballroom, dance is a fantastic way to express yourself and get your heart pumping. Dance classes and events are great for meeting new people and building connections in a lively atmosphere. And at last, go to a fucking arcade, dude. Go to the bowling lane. It's super fun, especially when you get good at it. And also you have to take breaks to let others play. So what do? You sit down and then talk to other people and build connections. You might find cute chicks maybe. Just lift your introvert ass and have the balls to go to talker. Next is solo category. As you don't want many people around you every time, you're gonna have some personal time, so there are solo hobbies. I'll suggest you to get into some sort of art or calligraphy. Pick up a brush or a pencil and let your imagination run wild. Whether it's landscapes or abstract art, express yourself without words. Other thing can be writing blogs. Share your thoughts with the world. Whether it's travel, fashion, or personal musings, blogging connects you with like-minded people. You can even write poems and essays. Craft your emotions into beautiful words. It's like therapy, but you don't have to pay by the hour. Photography can be a thing too. If you are on a hiking, forest walk, or trekking, you can click beautiful pictures. Grab a camera and explore the world around you. Capture everything from cityscapes to wildlife and find beauty in the mundane. Each photo tells a story. Become the narrator of visual tales that resonate with emotion and style. Next thing can be learning editing. If you have a computer, you can learn editing on CapCut or Premiere Pro, and if you become good at it, you can become an editor and land a full-time job and earn your living. And of course, next up is physical category. Throughout the day, you must dedicate 1 or 2 hours of routine where your body moves muscles and get yourself in shape. It can be anything like going to gym, build muscle, increase endurance, and sculpt the physique you've always wanted. Rock climbing can be an adventure and thrill. Test your strength, endurance, and problem-solving skills as you navigate vertical challenges. My personal favorite way to meet new people as well as build in physique is to play any team sports, like tennis, cricket, football, etc. You can't just run around and jump from here and there. You need some mental peace. So next category is mental hobbies. Hobbies in this category can be like playing chess. It is a game where your mind is always active. Chess requires you to anticipate your opponent's moves and strategize several steps ahead. It's mental aerobics, and you'll love the workout. Memorizing openings and mastering tactics sharpens your memory like a fine blade. Say goodbye to forgetting where you left your keys. Seriously, focusing on the board can be as relaxing as meditation. Channel your inner grandmaster and leave stress behind. These are the hobbies that'll transform you from just another pretty face to a man of many talents. Whether you're flexing your brain, your biceps, or your social skills, these pursuits will enrich your life in ways you never thought possible. So, pick your favorites, dive in, and let's make life not just good-looking but genuinely extraordinary. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have some queries or some suggestions, then you can leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe for more informative and helpful video like this. That's my time, boys. Peace.